Hi, so this is my week 2 monologue upload for the module WT4028. So this week I looked at social and environmental issues during the lab. So um, for environmental issues, I looked at wildfires, such as the ones burning throughout Australia at the moment, um, the use of fossil fuels, pollution, water conservation and water waste, while also looking at the flooding that is happening from heavy rainfall and also climate change. So for the social issue, I looked at racism, the housing problem, poverty, healthcare, discrimination, and lack of opportunity in terms of education. So for this project, the environmental issue should be okay because we are manufacturing the artifact using at least 80% of waste or end-of-life material and 20% composition from newly processed FSC stock. So I think it would be more difficult to create an artifact dealing with a social issue. So in the lab, we also looked at sustainable design cards. So I thought these were interesting. We looked at design for this assembly. This links to upcycling. We looked at product history, which regards development and production, and embedded storytelling, which generates emotional value in a product. So for my mood board, I've included pictures from a pub. So my gran owns and runs a pub, which is amazing for a woman her age. It's an inspiration to me, and perhaps my social issue could be something to aid the elderly who are still working. Other images include dogs, because they're cool, pictures from nature, fishing in lakes, dolphins, and navy ships. Golf and rugby are my main hobbies, so I hope I can gain inspiration from them. I haven't decided on an artifact yet, but I have an initial idea which looks at the social issue of education. By using like an old door, one panel could be changed into a blackboard using an old slate or even an old classroom blackboard. A young child can use this for improving their literacy and numeracy. Another panel on the door could be removed and some wire can be put in its place to form an abacus. You could add a support on the back using the remainder of the door and make a small storage box on the front for chalk and pens. Um, that's it for this week's monologue. Thanks.